Best Tech of 2025? This video reveals the top 5 gadgets you absolutely need. From smartwatches to smartphones, we've got it all covered. Snag these amazing devices early. Check the video description for links. This year's tech scene is explosive, and these gadgets are leading the charge. Number 1. Apple Watch Ultra 2. Its rugged design and advanced features make it the ultimate smartwatch for adventurers. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. This foldable phone is incredibly innovative and compact. Number 3. Sony WH-1000XM5. Experience unparalleled noise cancellation with these premium headphones, perfect for work, travel, or just relaxing at home. Number 4. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Capture breathtaking aerial footage with this portable and powerful drone. Number 5. Google Pixel 7a. This budget-friendly smartphone packs a punch with its impressive camera and smooth performance. These are just a few of the incredible gadgets on our list. Watch to discover why these top 5 picks deserve a spot in your tech arsenal. Don't miss out, upgrade your tech game today.